Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Andsky S700 model e-bike. This one here is kind of nice. It's got lots of upgrades. It's a step-through design. It's got some cool stuff to it, so I'm going to talk about that in today's video. Then we'll take it out on the road. We'll have some fun. Let's go. All right, before I take it on the road, I just want to share a couple things. So this thing is fully loaded for under $1,000, which is insane. You're going to love the ride on this thing. But it is, again, foldable, which is very popular right now. It has things like a front rack where you can put a bag, which is what most people will do, or you can even put a basket on here. It also has a back rack. It's got a wider suspension post seat, really comfortable, removable battery, very easy to remove, long-lasting battery, and I'll talk about that in a little bit later. Also has a water bottle holder, a metal one, really nice, standard. It also has a cell phone holder, which is great, where you can get directions, maps, make phone calls with the Bluetooth earbuds. It's just a really nice feature. It also has turn signal, a cute little horn. All of that is standard on this. You don't pay extra for it. So I'm gonna go over everything on this bike because I really like this thing, and it comes in under $1,000, which is insane for all that you get with this e-bike. Let's get on the road, take it for a test ride. All right, so we're out here riding our Andsky S700 model foldable e-bike. I gotta tell you, I love how comfortable it is, and you can definitely enjoy all these extras that this e-bike offers, like the phone holder, the front rack, the back rack, the water bottle holder. Most companies charge extra for all that, and this one doesn't, which is really nice. So let's get into all the goodies. This has a 750 watt motor, which will easily get you 28 miles per hour. In fact, I got up to 30 once I added a little bit of extra pedaling myself on that top speed. It also has a 48 volt, 16 amp hour detachable battery. So it's nice that it is also removable, and that'll get you up to a 60 mile range with pedal assist. Now this e-bike does have a nice step-through design, and it is UL certified, which meets safety standards. Super important nowadays. It suits riders anywhere from 5'7" up to 6'5". In fact, my daughter's 5'4" and rode this just fine as well. So it does have a nice range of rider height for this. The max weight is 330 pounds. I really love these fat tires. These, along with the dual suspension, I can't feel any of these bumps out here, and it is a little bit bumpy. I did test the brakes out, and they were very responsible, didn't need any adjustments. And speaking of adjustments, this e-bike was almost completely built in the box. So I really love that. You open up a box, you want to ride it, you don't want to build it. Not everyone has the time or the tools to mess around with a full bike build. With this one right here, you can be riding in just minutes once you get it. This is actually the second e-bike that we reviewed from Andsky, and haven't had any issues at all with either of the bikes thus far. I'm gonna ride this a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you my final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed the riding scenes. It was really quick. It's a beautiful day. I wanted to get out there while the sun was still up. Really quickly, couple features I didn't mention while I was riding. It does fold down, like I said before, but it's easy, and I'm gonna show you really quick how to fold it down. It has pedals that fold also. So if you go in and up, it folds flat, which just makes it more narrow. And all you have to do right here is just make sure this thing is released, pop it open, and then you can just literally fold it right in half. Also, in addition to that, you can fold this down, which just makes it that much smaller. And it's really easy to do that. Same thing, fold it right down. And I did mention earlier in the very beginning about the racks and things like that. I can definitely see myself throwing a backpack on the front here and strapping it up, and a basket on the back to really elevate this thing completely. Obviously you want a water bottle holder, because if you're exerting exercise, you definitely want that. There's a lot of really cool features, so if you want one of these, I will put a link to this in the description section where you can get this at a discount. They did give me a discount code just for my viewers, so make sure that you click that link and use that code that I give you for this e-bike. I do like the suspension on this thing, both the seat post and the front suspension. 4-inch wide tires. I don't remember if I mentioned that while I was riding, but 4-inch wide tires, guys. These are meaty tires. This is gonna get you anywhere. Hope you enjoyed this video.